If you have your tapes, you know what we are talking about. We're going to start just here on the col de ré. We have mi, fa, fa dièse, sol, E, F, F sharp, G. And these are 4 fingers. So the question is, when you see a partition, as we see here in the Game of Thrones, going very close, the first finger on this note here, and it's called the lower third position. Why is it called, when you put your first finger here, the lower third position when you are putting your first finger on the 4th tape? And the answer is based upon the pedagogy of the violin. If this instrument were much smaller and I had a much larger hand, I would be able to reach 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So here again we're on the col de ré, mi, fa dièse, sol, la. And this right here, really making my hand as wide as humanly possible, that would be, oh, there we go. See, I'm not playing. I wouldn't be able to play that. This would be a violin. And this is why it's called the first position, because that's where the first finger goes. And if you place your hand, everything here on the F sharp is called the second position, because we have 2 different positions. We call high second, low second. And as you see, the 3rd finger here is on the sol, on the G. So if we place our first finger here, it is in the 3rd position. And one more time, wish I had larger hands, but another life, right? Here, the 4th finger, when the first finger is here, it is in the 4th position. So this is why we have these names of these positions, and having tapes will definitely help you understand this. Again, first position is where the first finger goes. It's dictated by the first finger. Second position on cello is where the F sharp here, the fa dièse, here in the col de ré. 3rd position is the sol, simple as, the G. And the 4th position is the la. If you do not have tapes on your instrument, then the rules still apply. 4th finger, 3rd finger, 1st finger. First position, tap your 3rd. Don't move your hand. Keep the shape solid and move it to this, the 3rd. Thumb moving along the 2nd. We have here the 2nd position, or higher 2nd position. Again, 1st position, 4th finger, sol. Shift the whole hand up, no change in shape. 3rd position, or lower 3rd. And the last one, find the la. And that is the logic behind what it means to make these positions. The question has been asked, what order do you learn these positions? There are so many. Half, 1st, lower 2nd, upper 2nd, 3rd, low, 3rd, high, 4th, and then so forth. It goes with the logic of pieces, because on cello the easiest pieces are in Ré majeur, which has 2 sharps, and Sol majeur, which has 1 sharp. But what's important is I'm using my 3rd finger across all these strings. And this is going to dictate these sharps. So this position, if you take your 2nd finger away, an easy position to remember, because your 4th finger is on the outside of your box, is moving up to the upper 2nd position. And you have the 3rd finger, 4th finger, and next string over. It fits in with a lot of very basic songs on the instrument. The order we go is the 1st position, of course, then the upper 2nd, and then after that, you can learn the 4th, because you see they're linking together. And then after that, it's really dependent upon what your needs are. There's no order, but it's always good to learn upper 2nd prior to learning the 4th.